I hope your summer months are going well. Ours has been interesting, with full of twisty turns as we have been unearthing our 100-year-old Topanga house. The unexpected change of plans with renovation could feel overwhelming, as we probably already know from 2020, which was full of unexpected turns. But I realized that the best thing I could do is to have healthy boundaries with my social media, let go of the control, and experience the moment as is. I recently even let go of my morning journaling time because needing to jot down the thoughts was actually stopping me from just being. I'm sure I'll come back to it when the time is right, but for now, it feels really good to feel not being constrained by daily routines. Then I started to notice that I could start to get lost in my own thoughts again. Without the need to document everything, my mind was free to flow as I had a conversation with myself. With more time to be with me came questions about big things in life, like what is the meaning of material possessions to our family, how to be detached from wanting to be attached to things like home, and what is important to our family and BK. Sometimes I felt more confused, but other times there was more clarity about the kind of life I wanted to lead. When I got lost in my thoughts, I also experienced more moments of imagination, dreaming, and visualizing what could be. In some ways, I felt more human. So since it's summer, and the summer month can be the dreamiest season of the year, perhaps turn off the phone for a while and get lost in your thoughts. It's wonderful.